So you'll need about 3 onions, 3 garlic, 2 tomatoes, or if you want 3, some Ethiopian powder called berbere. You'll definitely need that, and salt, black pepper if you have ginger powder or garlic powder, some oil, and of course the lentils. Then what you want to do is add a little bit of water so it doesn't stick to the pot, and also it makes the onion soft. Then just close the lid so it can cook about 2 minutes until all the water is gone. So once all the water is gone, what you want to do is add enough oil so all the onions are mixed pretty well, and then put the lid on and let it cook for about 3 minutes until it turns brown. So once you see a bit of a color change, you just want to add your garlic and mix it pretty well and let it cook about a minute or so. Before I forget, I just want to mention, if you're trying to make any Ethiopian food that's red and spicy, you'll definitely need berbere. So for this one, I'm just doing 3 spoonfuls of berbere and then just mixing it well. It depends on how red and how spicy you want it, so you can put less or more. Once you mix it well, you just want to add a little bit of water so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, and also doesn't let the powder burn, and just let it cook for about 2 minutes. All you gotta do after this is just adding a little bit of water and letting it cook, and repeating that process for about 12 minutes. Once the 12 minutes are up, all you gotta do is just add the tomatoes, and the tomatoes will actually help the sauce have flavor so that it's just not burning. Then you just want to add the spices that you want. I'm adding some garlic powder, ginger powder, and black pepper, and just mixing it pretty well. You then just want to add the 1 cup of washed lentils. I know it's a long process, but you definitely have to keep adding water and letting it cook. Depending on your preference on how you like your lentils, you can have it mushy or a little bit hard. So if you see here in the middle, it's way more pink and dark than the outer part. So the outer part basically tells you that it's cooking. So if you like your sauce or wet, thick, then you just add a little bit of water, but if you want it a little bit liquidy, you add more water. So this depends on how you like your sauce. So over here, as you can see the lentils are lighter. It's because we like it mushy. Then you just let it boil for about 3 minutes. Add your salt. Sorry, I forgot to add the video in there, but that's all you gotta do. Finally, you just put some on your jar and enjoy.